Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to plot stacked graphs using Origin Pro. Here you can see in one of my experiments I have plotted a parametric graph by varying the length of the patch antenna. And I got this overlapping graphs. The data corresponds to all the results that what I have plotted are exported as a CSV file as shown in this Excel sheet. From that Excel sheet, I have selected total of 4 variants along with the frequency, that is LP is equal to 35 millimeters, LP is equal to 35.4 millimeters, LP is equal to 35.8 millimeters, and LP is equal to 35.9 millimeters. I have pasted here in the Origin workbook. Now, to plot this data as a stacked plot, I have to select here and click to select the entire data in this workbook. After that, you just go to plot, select here basic 2D, and you can see at the bottom there is a stack plot. What it will do, when you click on this, it is going to plot each data set in a separate layer. Let us click here, and here no need to change anything, just click OK. Now we can see 4 individual graphs are plotted here as a stacked plot. Now you can edit this content. Let me just do this, Ctrl A. I'm writing it as S11DB. I'll just put this as a suffix, that 11. Okay. So let me just copy this and I'm going to put it everywhere. This is my y-axis. Now for the x-axis, you double click here and you can give here frequency in gigahertz. You can also highlight these graphs by different colors. So let me just give here the width as 3 mm and then let the color be red color and click OK. You can see that changes here. Similarly, you can change this to some other color. Probably I'll put a blue color, and here I'll just make it as 3 mm as a width. Click OK. You can see that is changed to blue color. Similarly, if you want to make it as a style, different style, probably I can put it as a dash, and here I'll just put it as 3 mm and click OK. You can see a dash with a 3 mm thickness is appearing. Similarly, for this I can put some dash dot dash, and the color could be pink. Okay, let me just click OK. You can see now this is how we can beautify your graphs after the stack plot is prepared. And you can also bold this by selecting here and clicking on bold. You can see, so it's all bolded now. This also you can select and you just double click and you can bold it. Here also. Now everything is bolded. Okay. So if you want to give grid for this, you can just double click on this and you can see here there is a grid option. You can just select this major grid lines to show and minor grid lines to show, and then you can just click OK. You can see here for this particular graph, for the bottom graph, the grid lines are appearing, and similarly you can apply the horizontal and vertical both. So let me just select here the horizontal grid here, select, this is already applied, so let us just put vertical grid also. You can see now the horizontal and vertical grid is applied for this particular graph. Similarly, you can do it for the others also. Let me just do it. So select here, double click. You can just select grids. Okay, apply major and minor. Similarly, select vertical and apply major and minor. Click OK. And for this also, let me just apply. And for the last one also. This is how we can make our graphs appearing more beautiful and suitable for any publications. Now once the graph is ready, we can export it into the desirable formats. So to do that, just click on File. Here you can select Export Graphs. Here click on Open Dialog. You will see here, if you just click on this, there will be variety of file types that you can say. That you can see bitmap, computer graphics meta file. Then you can have AutoCAD drawing interchange. Okay, so like that you have multiple options. Here I'll be selecting the portable network graphics, that is PNG format. And here I can select the file path where I have to save this. I'll just put it in the desktop and select OK. Then here you can just give a name. So I'll put it as stack plot. Okay. So that's it. So now the file is exported. So to view that, you can just click on this. You can see in the desktop. I'll just go to the recent one, stacked plot. You can see here. So this is the graph that we have plotted. So this is a very good quality plot which you can use it for your publications. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends. Thank you.